You think the ocean is peaceful? Think again. Fact 1. There are places in the ocean so deep, no sunlight has ever reached them. Scientists call it the Hadal Zone, and it's darker than space. Fact 2. Some creatures down there create their own light, bioluminescence. Imagine glowing in total darkness just to find food or escape it. Fact 3. There are underwater holes so deep we still don't know what's inside. Some call them the ocean's black holes. So, do you still think we've explored the Earth?